Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another exciting tutorial which everybody is crazy and talking about AI assistant. So what if I could tell you that you can build your own AI assistant and it's on your own local machine with all your connections to WhatsApp, Slack, Telegram, everything privately on your laptop. That's what exactly OpenClaw is about, and we are going to see why everybody is crazy about this in this tutorial. It have like 68k plus GitHub stars. It's an open source license program, so let's get into it. So what is OpenClaw, right? So OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI runtime that runs on your device, whether it's on local machines or cloud VMs or anything. It can connect to your favorite messaging platforms to powerful AI models, enabling autonomous task execution, like while keeping your data completely private. And this is created by Peter Steinberger, who is the founder of the PDF Kit. The project was a complete side project, and the popularity has been exploded now, and everybody is talking about it. The big difference with other AI models like ChatGPTs and other stuff is like you can run everything on your local setup and you have the full control. So let's talk about what are the key features or why OpenClaw is exceptional from other systems. So first one is like multi-platform chat, right? So you can integrate with a number of instant messaging systems like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, a lot of chatting systems, and you can send messages from all the system. So it's like a one AI assistant accessible from everywhere, right? Another key feature is long-term memory. So, like it have a persistent local storage. So it's unlike other ChatGPT or other system like OpenCloud can store your information. It remembers your preferences, your whatever you given. It stores everything and it can make use of it. And it have your contacts and it stores everything locally. Other important key feature is full system access. This is where it gets powerful, like it can do a full automation. It have the full access to your file operations, cell command, cron job. It can schedule tasks. It can do most of everything because you give it can get the full access for your computer. And finally, extensible skills. So there are hundreds of community skills for sending out email, data analysis, media control, and you can create your own as well. So this is super great. It have key features which make it exceptionally great. Now let's talk about how it works, right? On the left side you have different messaging apps, and the center you have OpenClaw, which act as a gateway or agent, and on the right side you have different AI tools, right? Like Claude or GPT, Gemini, or different integrations, right? So on the left side you have WhatsApp or Telegram, where all these messaging systems where you can send messages to OpenClaw. This connects to the OpenClaw, which acts as a gateway or daemon, which is running on the background, and it can contact to the AI systems. The AI model can be anything, as I said, like GPT or Claude, or it can be even something running locally on your machine. And it can even connect to your emails or file browsers and everything. And the super interesting factor is like everything happens on your machine. It doesn't go out of your private system unless you decide to do it. Let's have a quick view on how you can set up OpenClaw. This is super simple installation. You just run OpenClaw command. If it's on Mac or Linux, you also have command for Windows. And once you do it, you run the onboarding. So what do you mean by onboarding? You give you step-by-step process how you can onboard different applications or integrations, and then you can also have the install-daemon, which will be running as a background processor. So once you have the daemon running as a background, then you connect your AI models, whether it's OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or local models. link your messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram, anything, and you are set up everything in just 5 minutes. So this is super easy, nothing complicated. Just run the follow this process. So as I was telling, like you have a lot of integrations with OpenClaw, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. There are n number of integrations, and you also have like 100 plus MCP service, or you call it as model context protocol, right? So you have so many MCP servers for these things, and you can integrate and you can get high output, high process, and you can make use of that. Let me show you a quick example or use case, like what you can use OpenClaw. Once you do all these setups, if you're using WhatsApp, you just send a message to WhatsApp like, hey, summarize my 100 emails and schedule a meeting with XYZ for tomorrow, right? So it does all those things, and it give you the updates like what it is, and it's also schedule the meeting as you ask in the calendar. Just also, it's also what it is, what you can ask is like, please set me a reminder. It's also set a reminder. So it's like an AI assistant where you can just ask, or you can give instructions, and it does all the things just through WhatsApp or Telegram, and it have the context, and it have connection with different other integration tools. So this is the power of AI assistant with the access to different tools. It's not just for chat where it tell you, oh, this is the output. It can actually perform stuff, and it can take care of what you need. So why you should use OpenClaw, right? It's 100% open source, and you can self-host on your own local systems or VMs, and privacy, or you can have your data stays on your own device, and it works with different AI models. So you don't have to be just one. You can work with different AI models, and you can chat from a number of platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram, or you have two different options. And these are powerful automation capabilities, like which you can make use of it if you have a complete workflows to be followed, which you can tell the AI assistant to follow when you want to do something. So if you want to try, an AI assistant, OpenClaw is the solution. Go and try out, the all documentation, the GitHub repositories, and everything is on the video description. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, give your comments or what you like to see next into the comment section. So thank you for watching.